it.
No.
It's cute.
No, it's not.
Hi guys. So while you guys are watching this video, I'm like 90% sure that I'm gonna be at Coachella. So I thought
90%.
like, is that when it's going on? Like, what if we upload it late?
I thought you mean like there's only 90% chance you'll go to Coachella.
No, like we might upload the video late or early. I'm not really sure.
Okay, sorry for interrupting.
So, I thought I would come through with the Coachella related content. I'm gonna get my boyfriend Kane to rate my Coachella outfits, which I'm not sure if these are my actual Coachella outfits because, to be honest, I'm kind of unprepared. Probably because I was planning this video instead of planning my actual Coachella outfits.
I feel like you spent more time on this one.
Me too. These are my actual outfits. If you guys want to see what I'm actually wearing while I'm there, come follow me on my Instagram account.
Does anyone even know what Coachella is?
Oh yeah, comment down below if you guys know what Coachella is. Anyways, I'm like blabbering on. Comment down below like what color t-shirt you're wearing right now, and let's get into Kane rating my outfits.
Can I be like honest?
These are my actual outfits, so you can be honest. Let's get the outfits on. Oh look, I even did a thing for this video. Such a good YouTuber.
You did a thing.
A little.
Sarah changed her makeup for the first time this year.
This is the only time I've ever like done anything with my makeup.
Let's do it.
Okay, Kane's super intrigued by this video. As you can see, we're gonna have Kane rate it out of 10 if you think wear it to Coachella or not, and his least favorite thing about the outfit. But you have to be super honest.
As long as you don't get offended, because it's not gonna be about you, it's gonna be about the outfit.
Well, like these outfits I'm not wearing Coachella, so I won't be offended. Still gets offended in like 10 seconds. Okay, I feel like this outfit is like the most me outfit. I kind of hate these glasses, but okay, you can look.
Oh, what the heck, babe? This is so cool.
I have my boobs like pushed to the side because it was like cleavage. And I was like, I'm gonna get demonetized. Probably the most boobs I've ever shown on my YouTube channel ever.
Honestly, this whole outfit, you look like a freaking goddess. Look at you.
I can't turn to the back because this is the smallest swimsuit I've ever put on my body.
I'll literally give it a 10 out of 10 for the actual whole outfit. You look like such a baddie. Look at you.
This is too small. I ordered everything a size bigger and it's too small. So no shade on Showpro, but the sizing is a little small.
I feel like this skirt's so cool.
Oh my goodness. We're gonna be blurring that. But the skirt is really pretty. It has these like little stars all over it.
I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 because I think this one's so cool. I'm gonna say you shouldn't because you'd need a different swimsuit. But if you had a different swimsuit, I feel like you should definitely wear it.
Oh. What is your least favorite part of the outfit? Hold on, let me put the glasses back on.
I would say the glasses. I feel like they're not the best.
I just feel like they're really big and just not me.
How much effort did you put into this video? Like, this outfit's so cool.
I put way too much effort into this video. These outfits are like more thought out than my actual outfits that I'm wearing to Coachella. Outfit number 1. I feel so awkward and weird. You can look.
I'm like, oh, this is cool. And then I looked at the sunglasses.
I literally can't see anything. Whew. We gotta make this quick because these are made out of like some sort of thick plastic and I'm sweating and I want to return them.
You look good. Ditch the glasses.
I feel like this would be so cute on someone that isn't me. Not saying I look bad in it, just it isn't my style. Do you think this outfit is me?
Nah.
But it's a cute outfit. I can never wear these glasses because the whole world is this ugly red color and it's really overwhelming. I feel like I'm like even more blind than normal.
See, look at Sarah.
That would be so freaking at a music festival all day.
I'm gonna give it like a 6. It could be a 10 on someone else. I just feel like it's not your vibe. And my least favorite thing are definitely these.
Do you think I should wear this outfit to Coachella 2019?
Hell no.
Just Instagram glasses.
They don't even fit you.
They're a little baggy in the butt. They're also very cheeky.
Okay, I'll give them an 8. I'm kidding.
Touch my skin. It's so funny. I wonder if I can still return these. I literally just took the thumbnail in these and realized that I had a camel toe the whole time.
I also love how Sarah's like trying to color coordinate.
Yeah, we gotta get the color coordination, okay?
And you can't even color coordinate your own Coachella outfits.
What do you think it's gonna look like?
I think it's gonna be the most ridiculous one yet.
Okay, you can look.
What even is this?
It's cute!
No, it's not.
Don't you like it?
No, these and this do not match.
They're cute!
What?
Wait, don't you think it's cute?
No. this is like the worst outfit you've ever put together.
Look at me trying to act shook. I thought that I would like put something together and see if you like took it seriously, but I just felt like I went too far with it. And obviously I'm not gonna wear zebra and like cheetah sunglasses and like seashell necklaces. I think it's kind of cute. Like for all this animal print that's so ugly.
I'm gonna give this one a 0. I don't think you'd ever wear it anywhere. And my least favorite is everything.
What's your favorite piece?
On its own, this top, I reckon would be cool.
It's actually like a bodysuit.
Oh, but it looks like it's a diaper.
It is. I am so impressed with how cute this looks. I would never wear it, but I feel like it like turned out kind of cool. That was such a fail. Yeah. I'm sad. I tried so hard and I made it way too obvious.
Come on, 3 different animal prints and then a seashell necklace.
I just took the thumbnail and realized that my bra was out the entire time.
Your bra is the nicest thing out of the whole outfit.
I feel like you're overreacting. I feel like it's actually kind of cute.
Comment down below what you guys would actually rate that, because I think it's the worst outfit Sarah's ever worn.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
You can look.
Oh, this one's cool. Babe, this one's sick. These pants look awesome on you.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
I actually just copied it from the website completely and bought every single thing that she was wearing.
That's like cheating.
I made an order on Pretty Little Thing and literally everything that came in the order, this is all that fit me. And I have this belt left. I feel like this is a really good like festival girl outfit. This might be my first time wearing sequins ever. No one can see, but these pants are flares. What do you rate this outfit out of 10?
I'm gonna give it a 9. I actually think it's really cool.
I feel like a 9 is too generous.
Really?
But the most important question is, do you think that I should wear this outfit to Coachella?
I feel like you shouldn't. I feel like it's not cool enough. Like, I feel like
this is such a cool outfit. It's just not me.
I've seen your actual outfits and I just feel like I like the other ones more.
I feel like you're hyping my outfits up to be way cooler than they are.
I feel like the least favorite thing for me maybe is the pants, because I feel like they look really low quality.
I feel like these pants would be see-through. Are they see-through?
Yeah, I can see your whole underwear.
Oh my god. This is the outfit that I've been most excited to show Kane.
I can hear it. This is the silliest outfit ever.
I feel like it's like so cool. I actually got this outfit in the mail like a week ago and I tried it on and a bunch of these little tassels fell out, and then the other day Kane was like, what is this?
I feel like you look like a Christmas tree, babe. Is it hot or is it like...
It is so hot. Okay, so this is the outfit. Do you like it?
Not really. Like,
wait, really? I actually think it's super cute.
like, I don't love it, you know?
What about like without the jacket?
Yeah, I think without... Nah.
Wait,
I feel like it's cooler with the jacket.
Okay, so what do you rate it out of 10?
I'm gonna give it like a 4.
I actually thought you were gonna love it. Like, promise.
You said you weren't gonna get offended, and I feel like you're super offended by it.
I am offended because I was thinking about wearing this skirt.
Honestly, you could prove me wrong.
Do you personally think that I should wear this outfit to Coachella?
No. I know, Tommy, I feel so bad.
What is your least favorite part?
The jacket. The skirt's way better than the jacket.
Goodbye.
Ugh.
Everyone better take a look because this is the last time you're ever gonna see me in this outfit.
Don't.
Look, I could have been so much fun at Coachella and you're gonna miss out on this. 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah, holy crap, Sarah, this one's sick. The hat too, look at that.
Little bow.
Oh, I've always wanted one of these, like a hard one. Love that for you. You keeping that?
I literally got this bag and I was like, oh yeah, that could be for the outfit. I don't know if the bag actually suits the outfit, but like, we just wanted the bag.
I'm just gonna say it, this is a 10. I think you would wear it to Coachella because it looks awesome. The thing I don't like is maybe the belt because it doesn't match the gold.
Oh, true. Oh, dang. I really wanted to do like a boho outfit and finish it off with something that you would actually be nice to me about.
The last outfit just sucked, but this one's really pretty.
I almost like didn't show this because I think I want to wear this.
Really?
Like this
Yeah.
is so cute.
You look like such a badass. Like, oh yes, it's done. That twirl was sick.
This is pretty cute though. Glad you like it.
No, I love that one.
I definitely use this as an excuse to buy the bag. Okay, thumbnail. Also, this is completely irrelevant to this whole video, but yesterday, Kane asked me if I wanted to get a screen protector for Coachella in case I like drop my phone. I literally just dropped my phone and smashed the screen protector.
I can't believe you did that. Yesterday, it's not even 24 hours, babe.
That is it for this video. If you guys want to see my actual Coachella outfits, come follow me on Instagram. It's on Kane's face. And you guys should follow Kane too because I edit all of his photos and they're super cute. Comment down below, let me know what you guys would rate the outfits. Which one was your fave, if you agree with what Kane said. I really hope you guys did like this video. I feel like it was just something different. Give it a thumbs up if you guys did. And I'm gonna go because we haven't packed and we're going to California tomorrow. So, bye!